In meditation, every day we are tuning in, we are emptying our mind. So the more we empty our mind, the more clearer you're becoming about what's important. Because all this noise, the noise that is there through fear that is sitting in, all of that noise drops. That worries, the anxieties, the past traumas, things that have been there, which make us think the life is difficult, all of them drop with meditation every day. So when they drop, we keep getting a clear inner voice. Sometimes we may have multiple things that we want to do. Hey, I would like to help people, in the affected in this war. I want to help people who are there, who are just poverty driven. I want to help people to really, take this beautiful knowledge of meditation. We have many goals. We connect to each of them. Then we do something. And this is where meditation is greatly helping, dear friends.
But after this, doing meditation regularly for 3 hours, today I have walked for 7,000 steps, yani near about 5 kilometers today I have walked. That is my, achievement and change with this, attending this program.
I felt a positive change, which actually laid my home with full of positive vibrations. So that was a significant change that has occurred in my life due to meditation. And I'm really thankful to buddhaceo